Biggest mistakes that parents make. You know you're a nerd when you look for your pen, and then you realize 20 minutes later, it's right here. Go for the win, Allison. Hey, this is Allison.
And Jared.
And we're going to talk to you about the 4 mistakes that parents can make when teaching their kids about money. Money, money, money. Don't forget to like, share,
Subscribe.
and let's get started. All right, we're at the airport and they keep coming on the announcement. So if there's a pause.
Like the 15th time we've had to pause it.
I know, we keep re-recording this video, but we are way excited to share this information with you. Okay, so I'll do number 1, you do number 2?
Sure.
Okay, so number 1. Have you guys ever walked into a store and your kids are like, Mom, I want this. Hang on. And we're back.
You gotta do this faster.
Okay, when you walk into a store and your kids are like, hey, I want this toy, and you're like, sorry, we don't have enough money, and then you turn around and you buy your favorite magazine on a credit card. Womp, womp, womp.
Confusing.
It's totally confusing for the kids, right? You say you don't have enough money, and then you turn around and you buy something on a credit card. Confuses the kids completely.
Dots to death. But
Yeah, completely. So what we've decided to do is we tell them, yeah, you can absolutely get it, but you have to pay for it. And it makes them think, right? Because we can go out and earn money. Money is there, we just have to go get it. And so if we can lay the basis and the foundation of our kids to be able to go and make money, then it's never a question of can we afford it or not afford it, is do we choose to afford it? Yeah,
it's gotta be their choice.
Yeah, it's gotta be their choice.
Yep.
So that's our number 1 tip.
Number 2 flows into that pretty good. I think if we have them pay for most of their stuff, at a certain age, you guys, your own families can determine what the age is. But ours, about 12-ish, we have them start paying for a lot of their own stuff, and they really begin to take care of their own stuff, and they weigh their pros and cons of actually buying the item, or keeping their money, saving it for something bigger, better, or just saving it.
And this leads us into number 3, because I had to look down at my notes. We also help them create small wins to be able to earn money. Because if we cut them off at age 12 and said, haha, you have to pay for everything now, they're gonna fall flat on their face, get frustrated, and not have a good experience with earning money and learning how money works. Because guess what? No matter what, you have to know money. You just have to know how to use it, balance it, save it, budget it, all that kind of stuff. And so at 12, we start giving them mini wins for them to be able to earn money. And then at age 12, like shirts at Target are like $3. And so they can have those real fast. Successful. Yeah, they can have those fast mini wins and build that confidence to be able to start earning more and buying more expensive clothes or toys or whatever else.
Whatever it is.
They decide to buy, right?
Yep.
Good, okay.
So spend some weird stuff.
Yep.
Our kids do.
Yeah, very weird.
Yeah. All right, last tip. It's a doozy. It's pretty simple though. Just talking about it. Talking about money with your kids and your family, like real life money talk. Like what the family uses it for. Helping them understand that there's bills. Like your water's not really for free. You can turn the tap on whenever you want. You don't have to put a quarter in, but you still have to pay for it. So talking about bills, money, how to make money, how to save it, and how to use it wisely.
Yeah, and I think if we can educate them and take out the fear of money and some of these, I don't know, awkwardness things about money when they're young, then they're able to manage and balance everything. I know Bridge had a school assignment and she was assigned, or she got $1,000 a month. That was they were all given different amounts of money and they had to go home and see if they could live on $1,000 a month. And so she came home and was like, Mom, I got $1,000 a month for this project. I can buy anything. And I'm like, oh, well, let's talk about how much rent costs. And at the end, she was like almost in tears. Bless her heart.
I can't live at all.
And then her friend got like $200 a month or something so like not even feasible.
Like a gas bill.
Yeah, to live. And so it was fun to be able to talk to Bridges about money and how and it's not to scare them, it's just totally to educate them.
Prepare them.
Yeah, to prepare them for the real world.
Yep.
So if you have any additional mistakes that you want to add, please comment below. We want to hear it because we're trying to just raise good, healthy kids that are happy and can earn money with the things that they want to do in life. Is that it?
I agree. That's it. That's all I got.
Okay, like, share.
Subscribe.
You're so good at
I'm getting good at that one.
We'll see you guys later. And our plane is boarding.
Time to go get on the plane.
We're headed home from Funnel Hacking Live. We're in Florida. We're gonna go see our kids and kiss their faces off. We haven't seen them for about a week, so we miss them.
All right,
Let's do it. Okay.